Hello out there in Tarot Tube and Magical Gamer Land. It's unboxing time. Harry Potter heads, hang on to your hats. Here we go. So this box is an Accio box. It was sent to me for my birthday, which was yesterday. And let's see, I will award house points if you can guess how old I am. See what I got. Let's see what I got. Okay, so it's starting off really well. Dusty Rose, definitely one of my fave colors. Doesn't look that great on me, but boy, do I love it. Okay. Tea and cakes. Oh, this is Puddifoot. What's her name? Puddingfoot? Pudding? It's the tea shop, the super romantic. Ask me about our daily special. Tea for two, share a cup with someone you love. Okay, I love it. It smells, let's see. It's like very floral. Maybe it's a lavender rose, so there must be something in here. Okay, there we go. There's my tea shop. Ooh, very girly. All right. Sorry, I just fell right into my gender trap. Yeah, go ahead and see if you can guess how old I am. You have no idea how hard it is to re-educate me. I'm working hard. All right, what is this? It's purple. It's beautiful. Oh, KB, Knight Bus. Full service transportation to all destinations. Nothing underwater. Well, it's not all destinations, is it? All right, bump-resistant toothbrush. I love it. 4 sickles with tickets. Okay, this is actually a really nice, it is a really nice toothbrush holder. I have to say, I mean, yes, these boxes are, sidebar, these boxes are, you know, kind of silly fan boxes, but the quality, this is my third one. This one was a gift, but it's really nice. So this is actually wood. Look at this. I think it's bamboo. The bristles, I think they're synthetic, but that's okay. I mean, you know, fine. But look at that. Look at that. Do you not love this? How great is that? Okay. Very good. All right. Got a little Hagrid going on here. The Magical Umbrella Company, established 1943. I'm not that old. There's a clue. How to use. Heat water in metal. Oh, okay. Well, then this is a tea thing. Tea, not caddy. Oh my God. That's super cute. I'm going to take this away from the mic so it's not too horrible when I open it up. I mean, I know that opening plastic is a little bit ASMR thing. Okay, look at that. Oh, look at this. Look, I'm sorry, I keep saying look. Okay, so you put it in, and it even has a little dish reservoir for your loose tea when it, oh my God. This is fabulous. I'm A, going to use it because I make loose tea, and B, going to love it. I'm thinking, okay, so Harry Potter heads just sort of stand to the side for a moment, witches step up. So with something like this, I could actually, you know, spell this, set an intention for, you know, manifesting something so that when I used this, I was infusing whatever I wanted to into my tea. This calls for some spell casting. Okay, Potterheads, you may return. What's next? What's next? A guide to dragon species of the world. All right. I think this is a mishmash box. Like this, there was definitely a tea theme with the t-shirt and the strainer, but what, I don't, okay. What is it? Oh, goody. It's another pin. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's a dragon egg. Oh. All right, I'm just going to pull this up to the camera. So if you want to read all this, you can hit the pause button and read it. That's beautiful. All right. Look at this. See, this is what I'm saying about the quality and the detail. The pin is purple and the back is purple. And I have got my witch's hat right here. So we are going to put my my dragon egg right here. Get that. Right here underneath the actual dragon. Not a little bit of a color clash, but we just have to be imperfect. We're perfectly imperfect. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna have to move the dragon, but you don't have to watch me figure that out. Awesome, it found a home already. That's what we like. Okay, I think this must be what I'm smelling. Okay, yep, that's it. Highland Bluff Studio, an Accio exclusive love potion. First a candle and then a mixing glass for the most powerful potioneers. All right, my curiosity is piqued. I wonder if there's any way to open this without ruining the box. I think not. I think not, but I'll try. Ah, yeah, okay, that's not bad. I'm very curious to see what this looks like. Funny. All right, so the actual container isn't really something you would use to make a potion. It doesn't have a lid or anything, but I am not sure what I'm smelling here. It's like, it reminds me of sort of like a dusting powder, like an old-fashioned rose floral dusting powder. I guess that would be kind of right for a love potion. All right, what's this? What's this? Laser Brawn Patched and Accio. So a collaboration, exclusive greeting card set. Again, I will step aside while you can preview while I get the plastic away from the mic. All right, and we're back. All right, so this is like a little paper sleeve. Okay, so it looks like we've got 2 of each. Very purple pink here. Very purple pink. You're a wonderful human being. Arr, 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 arr. Oh, that's so corny. Let's see if the other one is, let's see if they're 4 of the same. Or 2 and 2. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. You're a wonderful human being. Yeah, no vomit in there. Good. Okay. Once again, I take this over here to take it off so it's not too loud. This is a really fun gift, right? There's a lot to be said for unwrapping. Taking your time with unwrapping things. Okay, this, you're not going to believe it. It's a Knight Bus, right? And it's a hot water bottle. I've never had an actual hot water bottle. So I assume we can get in trouble with that. You're just going to put your hot water in here and make sure you got it closed up real tight. So I'm taking it away from the camera so I can see if I can read what these little bitty letters say. Nope, I can't. Do not use boiling water. All right, there you go. Make sure the stopper is secure. Yes, I would say so. All right, and here is my last thing. Let's see what this is. Well, we definitely got Hagrid's hut over here. Whoops, sorry about that. And we're rustling. What's coming will come, and we'll meet it when it does. Words to live by, Hagrid. Words to live by. Let's give you a little bit more so you can see what this really says. See the whole thing. There we go. Oh, Hagrid, so wise. This is actually nice artwork, and got some classic stuff in here with our hippogriff and our pumpkins and the Hagrid's nice stone hut. Lovely. I like the colors in this, vivid. All right, so like I said, I think this one must be one of their boxes where they take leftover things from the monthly boxes and put it together. So we've got this. Oh, I didn't even talk about what it was. It's just a sleeve. So I guess you could do a lot of things with it. Put a touchpad or book, any number of things. A hot water bottle, some nice love notes, my Knight Bus Toothbrush, love it. I'm going to use it. This excellent tea strainer, Hagrid. There, you know, it's kind of related. I'm just not totally sure. And this really awesome t-shirt from the tea shop, Madam Puddifoot. Is that it? I don't know. Once again, if you know, go ahead and pop it in there. And this very sort of old-fashioned floral scented love potion candle. Yeah, that's not my fave, but so much fun stuff and really a lovely gift. So you know who you are out there. Thank you very much, and just thank you. Let's feel gratitude for whatever. We've all got something to feel gratitude for, so take a moment and feel it. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe, hit the like button, all those good things. Bye-bye.